Welcome back to Car Trend, gearheads. Today we're diving into the 2025 Lincoln Navigator, the ultimate symbol of American luxury in the SUV market. Known for its opulence, advanced technology, and immense power, the 2025 Navigator pushes the boundaries of what a SUV can be. Whether you're looking for family comfort or a luxury vehicle with impressive performance, this model has it all. On the outside, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator boasts a commanding presence. Its massive chrome grille, sleek LED lighting, and bold lines give it a refined yet powerful look. The large 22-inch wheels and streamlined body provide a blend of elegance and road dominance. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement of luxury on wheels. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a lavish cabin filled with premium materials like leather, wood trim, and brushed metal accents. The Navigator's interior is spacious, offering 3 rows of seating with captain's chairs in the second row. The seats are both heated and ventilated, ensuring maximum comfort no matter the weather. The dashboard features a large touchscreen with Lincoln's latest Sync infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Rebel sound system. Under the hood, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator packs a powerful 3.5-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine, producing a hefty 450 horsepower. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, the Navigator offers both refined cruising and the power to tow up to 8,700 pounds. Whether you're driving in the city or taking on the open road, this SUV delivers a comfortable, smooth ride. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator starts at around $85,000 for the base model. Fully loaded black label trims can push the price up to $110,000 or more, offering unparalleled luxury and technology for those who want the very best. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Lincoln Navigator. What are your thoughts on this luxurious SUV? Drop a comment below and make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more car reviews here on Car Trend. Thanks for watching.